Hello everyone, my name's Felix Salinas. I'm the owner of XL Construction Group. I just want to take a few minutes to tell y'all a little bit about us. We specialize in roofing, masonry, and remodeling. We've been doing it successfully here in all of Texas since 1996. We pride ourselves in customer service. We pride ourselves in a lot of things that we specialize in. The Canyons is a project that we undertook to come in here and do a few minor repairs. Once we did the repairs, the owner was so happy with our service that she contracted with us to do a complete overhaul of every building. We got 45 buildings, including clubhouses, including outdoor living areas, including a whole lot of wrought iron. We've come in and done a lot of the wood replacement as needed. We've also addressed a few of the specialty rooms for them where they entertain. We've done some conversions, we've done some outdoor living areas, we've done some custom cedar covers. We take a lot of pride in what we do. We do roofing. We do masonry. We do stucco. We do concrete. We do outdoor living areas. We do interior finish outs, everywhere from level 3 to level 5 finishes. Call us today for your free, no obligation, 50-point inspection of your home or business. From all of us here at XL Construction Group, thank you.